This video will give you a bonus when you sign up with PrizePick with this given promo code. So if you're a fan of FUNNYMARCO and looking to get started with PrizePicks, you're in luck. By using the promo code FUNNYMARCO, which is spelled like this, FUNNYMARCO, is that you can have PrizePicks promo code and get a bonus when you sign up. You just need to go to the website right here, log in or sign up. Then, actually, there's a wait. There is actually a promo code right here, which is max bonus, and you can also use the FUNNYMARCO in the promo code field. Then you should make a deposit into your account. Then the platform will match your deposit account with giving you additional funds to play. Then now you can now start playing. Use your bonus to participate in various fantasy sports contests to offer on PrizePicks.